Hey TGM race fans, you ever want to see what a race hauler looks like? Come on. So inside this lovely place we have all of our crew guys' names. They can put their bags and items, shoes, whatever they need. All the drawers, we got springs and tie wraps, and everything you can think of, electrical stuff, fuses, lug nuts, tire box, everything you think of, everything you would think you would need in a race weekend that you never want to forget. Anything that will keep the car on track, because that's the main objective in racing. Come on here, we'll show a little bit more. We got our kind of our data area where the data guys sit and tell us what's going right or wrong with the cars. Snacks to feed everybody's bellies in here, everything you can think of, from sugar items to salty items. Driver suit areas, fuel jug areas. We got coffee makers, all of our drinks, everything you can think of. Many people may not know this, but we carry the cars and all the equipment. Cars are up top. Come take a peek. This is kind of where they live. We got all of our awning stuff. 2 cars up here. You can fit an engine and pretty much anything you want. Come on, let me take you to the sexy part of the trailer. The finest leather on the couch. This is the driver's lounge where we keep all the driver suits, helmets, shoes, the driver's bags, things like that. Right here we have driver education, we'll call it. Every driver kind of likes to be the fastest. They get their feelings hurt if they're not. But yeah, we just look at data and video and try to better ourselves and try to be the best team we can be. That's a tour of the TGM hauler. Next time you're at a race, come say hello.